At MVT Solutions, we have a very unique way of doing fuel economy testing. To start with, we use 2 trucks. These are MVT trucks, but when we work with other fleets, we use their equipment. With the 2 trucks, we install our test equipment, which takes 1 to 2 days. At the heart of our testing equipment is the data acquisition system. It's what records all the data from the sensors, including the aerodynamic data, tire rolling resistance, driver behavior. It's how we monitor and quantify all of the variables that affect fuel consumption. So what we have here are the aerodynamic sensors. This device here that you see a metal tube that sticks out of the top, that's called a pitot tube, and it measures the air pressure, basically the aerodynamic pressure that's acting on the front of the vehicle as you drive. So we're measuring that because it affects aerodynamic drag and of course fuel consumption. We're measuring the angle of the wind, which is that device that you see kind of moving around just even in this breeze. So everything measures the wind resistance that the truck sees because it affects fuel consumption, and it does this hundreds of times a second. What you see here is a fuel flow meter that we use. This measures fuel accurately to 0.2%. It's extremely accurate. It also measures fuel temperature while we're testing. Underneath you'll see another temperature sensor. That's measuring the temperature of the road or the ground as we're driving. That also affects rolling resistance and the temperature of the tires. Once we have our test equipment installed, we go testing. We use 2 drivers and 2 trucks, and we can test either on a private track or on a public highway. Tests usually take 2 to 4 hours. We select a route that's 4 to 8 miles long, and we repeat that 8 to 12 times. We call those laps. Once testing is complete, we download the data. Each hour of data in each test run has millions of data points. Next, we analyze those millions of data points using our proprietary analytical methods. With accurate numbers on fuel consumption, we can then calculate profitability, payback, return on investment, and also do risk analysis. This allows us to provide you immediate answers on fuel consumption, so you can start saving fuel and money today.